Another specific but very powerful feed selector is the parameter feed selector. Let's bring that one in and see to what we can link it. We can link it to parameters and elements. And we need to configure a filter because it would be way too much. Let's take Microsoft platform, for example. Okay, now we have here a first column with all the parameters from our Microsoft platform, a list with all the elements from the Microsoft platform. A column with indices is still empty. It will get filled once we select table parameters, and then some options regarding the grouping. If we look at how we can use this parameter selector, as the name already says, we can link parameters to any component. Here at the bottom I have a trend component that is now linked to the parameter selection from our parameter selector. So if we, for example, take a parameter from our list here, or let's take two, and we select one or multiple elements, we can see at the bottom that the trending for all the parameters of all the elements is immediately loaded. If we take table parameters, for example, like CPU from Task Manager, we see that the list of indices gets loaded, and that we can pick some parameters from tables as well. Again, same thing happens. All the trend data of what is selected on top is loaded. The group options are also linked to this trend chart now, so we can group on parameter, on element, or on index. Needless to say that this is a very powerful feed selector when working with parameters from multiple elements. If you want to make the dashboard complete, you can still add time range component on top, for example, like this. Link that time range component also to your trend chart, and now you have a really nice trend inspector dashboard to look at all your trend data for specific elements of a specific driver. Instead of linking the multiple parameter selector to one single component, we can also link it to a group of components. Let's bring in the group component with the trend chart again in it, and also the state visualization. Then link the parameters to the group. We can see that same data, so the parameters from both elements are loaded in the different components. Let's change the trend chart so inside one group that everything is shown together like this. And then if we play a bit with the grouping here on this level, we see that the grouping is done on a higher level, so basically on the groups itself and not on the individual components inside this group component.